Thank you, Emily Grubert, for the glass of water. Arwen is going to enjoy a little bit for us. Good girl, Arwen. Arwen says hi. So what's a fun fact about water that I wish everyone knew? I would say the idea that it takes water to make electricity. You can't have energy without water, and you can't have water without energy. And that's the energy-water nexus. That's the space that my research is in. And when you flip on a light switch, you're actually using water in a sense. It takes, on average, somewhere between 25 to 100 gallons of water per kilowatt hour of electricity. And that's used in all the cooling processes for thermoelectric power plants. So turn off the lights to save water. How do I see water differently? For me, it's all the ways that water is embedded and interacts with things that we buy, things that we use. So for instance, every time you purchase something, there was water in the processing to make that item. And so that's our embedded water. And so for me, I think about that when I'm buying clothing, when I'm buying food. You can do water footprint calculations for all of these objects and different food products, so you can be more mindful about how you are using water. And I'm not saying that when you buy a steak, it's, has 25 gallons of water inside the steak, right? But it's that there was all the water that went into feeding the cows, and then at the production phase of getting that steak to the grocery store. So there's all kinds of ways that water interacts, and being mindful of it, that's how I see water differently. It's not just turning on the tap. What inspires me or gives me hope? Honestly, it's students. I'm a professor, and seeing my students learn about water and think about these things that I just shared with you, and the way that they get inspired to do better, be better, engineer better, that really gives me hope. So our future generation of engineers, they're going to do some pretty cool stuff, and I'm excited to see it. So with that, I will pass the glass of water on to Reshmina William. She's like the smartest person I know. I love her. Cheers.